Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe. We out here again. Me and my boy A. Taking a little ride to Best Buy real quick. Guys wanted A to lead, A gonna lead. He gonna show y'all niggas how to ride one of these mofos. Yeah, how'd that bump feel when you hit that bump, yo?
Doesn't feel too bad.
Don't feel too bad. The handle is good on that thing?
Yeah, the handle feel good. Still feel a little in control for the most part.
How long you been riding bikes for?
This is actually my first bike right here.
That's your first one?
Yeah, this is my first shit. I've never really ridden before.
What you had, like dirt bikes?
Nothing. This is my first shit. I've never ridden dirt bikes, no quads. The first shit is my BMX. That's what I've had.
BMX? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. BMX.
Alright, you had this little...
As far as the actual motorbike, nah, I've never even ridden moped.
Not even then. Look like you got that though. How long you had that? A couple months?
I've had this for about like the last 5 months.
5 months?
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah, you know, it was a big decision, you know, for a long time. I didn't know if I wanted to grab, I never learned how
Oh, look at this motherfucker.
Yeah.
He's lucky. I should go smack his mirror off.
Yeah. But back to what I was saying, I didn't know if I wanted to learn how to ride a bike first and purchase a motorcycle or go and get my motorcycle license. And when the Rikers came out, oh shit, see, that was a little bit rocky right there.
Yeah, that was a bump.
That was a little rocky. But when the Rikers come out, being that it's automatic and it's just, you know, throttle and go, it was just, you know, a done deal for me. You know, I just decided I'm just gonna get that rather than learn how to shift the clutch.
Right.
But I'm not gonna lie, after riding the 3-wheel for the last 5 months, I do want to get on the 2-wheel and I do want to learn how to.
So you would say the Ryker is a good entry-level vehicle?
Yeah, I would say that.
So if someone's that's thinking of getting on 2 wheels, maybe your Ryker will start off and then maybe that'll get it comfortable for the road and then they can get on 2 wheels.
Definitely, I would definitely say that because I'm a whole lot more comfortable now riding.
Yeah. That's good to know.
I'm real comfortable riding now. I like to break this time.
Alright, so we're gonna keep going straight until we get to the highway and hop on the highway right there. And then we're gonna take the highway, get off at the Greenfield exit, and then we're gonna take like the West Springfield exit, the north exit. My bad, I'll be dropping an F-bomb. So what about what about windshield? Why don't you have a windshield on your white Ryker? You just don't like the look? Have you tried it with the windshield?
Nah, I think I don't have a windshield on my Rikers because I'm pretty much a novice coming into the, you know, riding a motorbike like this. But being that I do sometimes take long rides and like back roads, I wouldn't be objective to having a windshield on it. I'm not objective to it. I like the sport look right now without the windshield, but you know, I wouldn't be objective to buying a windshield in the future and putting it on as
Word.
You know, and just having it from time to time.
Right, because
especially if I was going to switch helmets, you know, and have you know, just the bucket instead of the full helmet.
Oh, the open face, right?
Yeah, because I do want to sometimes, you know, have the open face and rock the bucket for a little while, you know, and then I done hit some pretty gnarly things with this helmet on, so I would definitely like to have a windshield.
Yeah, it's always good.
But I'm not objected to it. You know, right now I think it's cool. I like what I got right now. You know, but it's something that I wouldn't mind doing if I had the opportunity to do it.
Right. And what bike are you driving?
I'm riding the 900 right now.
900? Okay.
Yeah.
Hopping in the highway right here. No, the next one,
Yeah, right here, like right here.
Oh no, it was that one actually. Yeah, it was that one, that's why.
What, so you up here?
Nah, just keep going straight. We'll just go to Main Street on Chicopee and take that entry on the highway. Take this right up here. I see you leaned in the turn. Does that help with the turns when you lean like that?
It helps with the turn. I like to lean for a number of reasons. I like to lean because I want to make sure that I'm practicing my counter steering, even though I don't ride a two-wheel. I just want to get my body, my muscle memory instead of doing it. And it also helps me hug the corners a lot more if I am leaning.
Right.
So if I lean a little bit hard into the corner when I want to hug that corner, then yeah, I can hit that corner and not have to do too much speed. We're going straight?
Yeah, your blinkers on.
Okay.
Nah, you good? Right.
So oh, this is a Ryker right there.
Ryker right there. Might have to go back and talk to that one. That's probably that dude. There's some dude that I got on my friend list that's freaking has a Ryker. I think he said he had a yellow one.
But yeah, like if I'm hugging the corners, I lean a little bit when I'm turning those corners. I don't have to reduce that much speed. I can still kind of maintain my speed a little bit.
Right.
And we getting on right here with Holyoke, right?
Greenfield. Springfield, Greenfield. Taking that Greenfield exit. You want to stay in this lane? Nice leanage. They messing up my entrance to the highway. It's messing up my speed. What are you doing? Who slows down to get on the highway?
I have to go around.